Radar vectors are given to arriving flights to position them onto a pilot-interpreted approach aid. The aircraft are vectored to a point from which a radar-assisted or a visual approach can be made. In the following example, Oxbow 342 is inbound to Georgetown via the North Cross VOR and receives radar vectors to position the aircraft for an ILS on runway 23.
Georgetown approach, Oxbow 342, flight level 60, information Golf.
Oxbow 342, Georgetown approach, vectoring for ILS approach, runway 23.
Oxbow 342. Oxbow 342.
Oxbow 342, leave North Cross, heading 080.
Leave North Cross, heading 080. Oxbow 342.
Oxbow 342, report speed.
Speed 260 knots, Oxbow 342.
Oxbow 342, reduce speed to 210 knots.
210 knots, Oxbow 342. Leaving North Cross, heading 080, Oxbow 342.
Oxbow 342, roger. Descend to altitude 2,500 feet, QNH 1011, number 4 in traffic.
Descend to altitude 2,500 feet, QNH 1011, Oxbow 342.
Oxbow 342, position 12 miles northeast of Georgetown. This is a right-hand circuit for runway 23.
Oxbow 342.
Oxbow 342, turn right, heading 150 base leg. No ATC speed restrictions.
Right, heading 150, no speed restriction. Oxbow 342.
Oxbow 342, 14 miles from touchdown. Turn right, heading 200, closing localizer from the right. Report localizer established.
Right, heading 200, Wilco, Oxbow 342. Oxbow 342, localizer established.
Oxbow 342, descend on the localizer, QFE 1008.
Wilco, QFE 1008, Oxbow 342.
Oxbow 342, contact tower 118.5.
Tower 118.5, Oxbow 342.
In the previous example, the approach speed of the aircraft was reduced to maintain separation between aircraft in the approach sequence. Where speed adjustment alone would be insufficient, it may be necessary to issue additional vectors. In this example, the controller estimates that a complete 360-degree turn would provide sufficient spacing.
Oxbow 342, delaying action, make 360 turn to the left.
360 turn to the left, Oxbow 342.
In this example, the controller turns the aircraft onto a specific heading to achieve spacing from the aircraft ahead.
Oxbow 342, turn left, 170 for spacing.
Left heading 170, Oxbow 342.
When the controller is satisfied sufficient clearance has been achieved, the aircraft would be turned back towards its original track.
Oxbow 342, turn right, heading 280. Call localizer established.
Right heading 280, Wilco, Oxbow 342.